Hello everyone, myself Sachin. In this video, we are going to discuss about the function. Say here, we have two sets, set A and set B, and we want to map elements of set A into the set B. Then this is possible using the function. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel. Also like, share and comment the video. If we talk about various terminologies of the function, then these are: first terminology is called domain. Here we have two sets, set A and set B, and we want to map elements of set A into the set B. Then all the elements of set A is called the domain, and similarly all the elements of set B is called the codomain, and only few elements may take parts of for the mapping from the set B. Whatever the elements are taking the part of the mapping from set B, such elements are called the image. I mean, in set B, total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 elements in set B. But only 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements are involved for the mapping purpose from set B. Therefore, these 4 elements are called the images. Total we have here 4 images, and all the collection of these images is called the range. I mean, if we talk about the range, then we have total 4 elements, 4 images. If we talk about here pre-image, pre-image is here just opposite of the image. I mean, this particular element is called the image of this particular element. So therefore, this one is the pre-image of this element. So this concept is called the pre-image. If we talk about another important notation of the function, then this is called here function composition. I mean here, say we have two functions, function g and function f. Function g maps from a to b, and function map f maps from b to c. Then this particular O is called here function composition. I mean, we apply the function composition on f and g, and here we got A maps to C. This concept is called function composition. If we talk about the example of function composition, here we have set x, set y, and set z. Function f maps from x to y, and function g maps from set y to set z. If we talk about the composition, then this particular element x of set x is mapping to element into the z. Then this particular arrow is represents to function composition. If we talk about another important terminologies of the function, then these terminologies are one-to-one, on-to, and bijective. What are these? We are discussing one by one. If we talk about the bijective function, then if we talk about say one-to-one function first, then every element of set A maps to different elements of set B. Then this concept is called one-to-one function. For example, here say we have elements of set A, and here we have elements of set B. Here every element of set A is mapping to different element of set B. I mean, this particular element maps to this element maps to this element. Similarly, this element maps to this element. Mapping is different. Every element of set A is mapping to different element of set B. So therefore, this mapping is one-to-one. If we talk about this particular mapping, then two elements of set A are mapping to the only one element of set B. So therefore, this is not one-to-one mapping. If we talk about another notation, another mapping, then this mapping is called onto mapping, onto function. Onto function is also called surjective function. And here, if we talk about this, then all the elements of set B are used for the mapping purpose. I mean, no element is left of set B, because here we have set A and set B and our function maps from A to B. No element of set B is left. All the elements of set B are covered. Then this particular concept is called onto function. If we talk about the example, then here say this is our set A and this is here our set B. Then here if we observe all four elements are used for the mapping purpose, no element is left. Therefore, this mapping is onto. If we talk about this particular example, then this element is left. This element is not used for the mapping purpose. Therefore, this is not the case of the onto function. And similarly here, this particular example, all four elements are part of the membership, are mapped. Therefore, this is further onto. Moreover, this is also one-to-one because all the elements of set A are mapping to the different element of set B. Therefore, this particular concept, this particular combination is one-to-one and onto. If we talk about the bijective function, then function that supports to one-to-one and onto property is called bijective function. And bijective function is also the reversible or invertible function. If we talk about the inverse of the function, say here we have the function f. Function f maps from A to B. Then if we talk about the inverse of this function, then inverse of function f will be here maps from B to A. If we apply f inverse O f, then we get here identity function, identity element. This concept is called here inverse of the function. And if we talk about the example, then here we have say set A, here we have set B, we have here function f. Function f maps from element of set A into elements of set B. If we talk about the inverse, then from this element B, we can get here A. This is the inverse of the function. And if we talk about the identity of function, then identity simple means if we apply identity on element, then we will get the same element. For example, if identity is applied on element A and we are getting here element A, then this concept is called identity function. Identities functions may be here. I mean, examples of identity functions are if AND is applied with T, T means true. If we are applying the AND with T, I mean A is applied with AND and T, then we will get the element A. I mean, we are getting the A. Similarly here, if element A is applied with OR and F, F means false, A or false, further result is here A. We are getting here A. And similarly here, if we are applying A union with phi, further we are getting A. If we are applying A intersection with universal set, then further we are getting here A. So we can say these are the examples of the identity function. And moreover, identity function is also bijective function. These are here important terminologies of the function that we have discussed. Thanking you.